multiple covalent bonds. By multiple, we mean more than one covalent bond. It could be either double covalent bond or triple covalent bond. We will start by the double covalent bond and we will use an example to explain it. Covalent bond in oxygen molecule O2. Double bonding. O2 is made up of two oxygen atoms. Consider this representation of the O2 molecule. Notice the shared pair of electrons between them. So this represents the first covalent bond. This is a single covalent bond made up from one electron from the left oxygen atom and one from the right. Notice the unpaired electrons in both atoms. Both electrons need one more to become a pair of electrons. Therefore, the two oxygen atoms will also share those electrons. And now we have two shared pairs of electrons. Since one shared pair is one single covalent bond, then two pairs form a double covalent bond. Notice the two shared pairs in this representation, and it's a double covalent bond. If we count the number of electrons in the outermost shell of each atom, both have 8 electrons, and all electrons are in pairs, and in the middle are the shared pairs of electrons. This is how we represent a double covalent bond, two parallel dashes between the two oxygen atoms representing two shared pairs of electrons, and the dots around the oxygen atoms are the pairs of electrons that are not shared. We call them lone pairs, and this was the double covalent bond formation in oxygen molecule O2.